Hey everyone, and welcome to the Family Fun Time team. I am Jenny, and it is Recap January, where we take one amazing road trip down 2021 of some of the newest and oldest toys released that year. Now, today we have Rainbocorns Series 2. They're not only their itsy glitzy surprises, but they're the color change accessories. We have 5 boxes. I have opened 2 of them to save you guys the time and me the embarrassment of trying to get them open. This way we could jump right in and start taking a look at what we got. So, here's the checklist of all to collect. And it says if you take all of the little bows and wings, you dip them in water and they will change colors. So we will wait to the end and have them all change at one time. New surprises inside, so let's get into it. Try to go down our checklist. Alright, let's start with these first ones. See what we got. Alright, number 1. Pop it open. Don't forget you could swap the gems on these. We have a hair tie. Well, a hair bow. I always call them a tie for some reason. Aw, let's see who we have here. Here, looks like we have Fawn. We're going to check Fawn off on our list and see what else was in that egg. Oh, we got a wearable ring. We'll swap all the gems later. You just pop this on here, and then there's our ring. There it is. It's a butterfly and our hair bow. I'm going to put that over. I guess the wings are what changes color. Let's see. Get this on Fawn. There we go. Little hair bow. Oh, that's too adorable. Let's put that over there and jump right into number 2. I'm excited. I want to see who we got. Okay. I'm already having trouble with the plastic here. And this is why I try to jump the gun on the opening here, because I'm not very good at it. Okay, number 2. Let's get him out. Pink bow. Get the headband on so we could see who we have. We have Blaze. There's Blaze. And the wearable ring. Put together here. That's a lot to come in one egg, I will say. They never disappoint in these. Okay, let's see who's in number 3. Looks like we have Hammy, guys. There's Hammy. So we have Hammy, Blaze, and Fawn so far. Let's see number 4. We have Giggles. There's Giggles. Aw. Alright, Giggles, go on over there and giggle. Go to number 5. We have Aster. He's so cute. Aww. Okay, Aster, welcome to the team. Let's go to number 6. Number 6 is another Blaze. So there's our first double. Number 7. Number 7 giving us a great big hug is Coco. She's got her arms open ready for a hug. Number 8. Let's see who's in number 8. Number 8 is Bubbles. There's Bubbles. Alright, now we gotta get the package open to get number 9 out. Number 9 looks like Paula. There we go, Paula, welcome. Number 10. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry, because number 10, I have no idea. They're not on the list. I tried to put a gem in this little spot here, but there is no way a gem's going to fit in there. And he's not on the list. So I have no idea who number 10 is right there. It's like a surprise one that doesn't even show. Doesn't show him on the rare. It shows like a dolphin one there, but it has the heart on its belly, so I'm confused on if that's Dolly or not. There's no heart, glitter heart there. So I'm not really sure who number 10 is. I gotta look into that, I guess. Number 11 is Tabby. She is so cute. I think this is my favorite so far. She is adorable. There's number 11, Tabby. Let's see who we got in number 12. Number 12 is Bam Bam. Okay, I don't know. I love Bam Bam too. That is adorable. Let's check Bam Bam off the list. I've gone ahead and opened both of the packages we had left. So we are going to see who we have. Number 16 is Lottie, the sheepcorn, a sheepocorn. Lottie, welcome to the family, Lottie. Gotta check Lottie off now. Number 17. Number 17 is another Aster. So that's our third double. Okay, no more doubles. We want rares. We want rares. Number 18. Number 18 is Sprinkles, the elephant. There's Sprinkles. Number 19, come on, rares. Okay, 19 is another Lottie. Okay, there's Lottie again. Let's go for the last one. Number 20. Will this be the lucky one right here with its purple gem? Will it? Let's see. And number 20 was another Hammy, the hamster. So we didn't get our rare, but we did get some amazing Rainbocorns, guys. They are adorable. We got 4 or 5 doubles, but that's okay. It happens. We got a lot less than we've normally got. We always usually get a lot of doubles, and that's okay. They're so adorable. I still like them. Let us, before we go, get some water and try to color change some of these bows and wings for them, okay? Okay, guys, so we took all of our bows and wings off. They're all right here in my hand. We got a bowl of water right here. We're just going to dump them in and watch them change colors.